as we all know, Samsung tends to make us a lot brighter into their images. Even in the latest flagship devices like the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Note 10, they have really unnatural skin tones and they tend to make us a lot brighter and a lot more pinkish than what we actually look like. So I decided to fix that in a simple fix which you can do into your Adobe Lightroom application in the Play Store, or you can do that really easily with a preset that I will be introducing in the Adobe Lightroom. So stay tuned to the video so that you can have really good and natural looking skin tones and